Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error USB device not recognized in Windows 10, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the resolution. While this error is somewhat common, the resolutions are simple. You can unplug the USB device and connect it again, and mostly that would resolve this issue. Or simply restart your computer and check if it helps. If these two solutions are not working, then you can shut down your computer completely, wait for a few seconds and then reboot it. Next, you can check for a possible conflict between two connected USB devices. So except for the necessary peripherals like the mouse and keyboard, please disconnect all other USB devices and then connect only the one which is to be tested at that point of time. If these don't help, then the issue could be with the drivers. Press Windows plus R to open the run window and type the command dev mgmt.msc and hit enter. This will open the device manager window. Now I don't have a separate device here, but in case the device does not connect, you would get an option for unknown device here and it would be in alphabetical order. You simply need to expand the list of those devices, right click on it and select update driver. In most cases the driver will not be updated because the device is not being recognized. So let us say that you are trying to connect a printer or you are trying to connect a external hard drive, and that device needs a separate external driver which comes either with a CD or can be downloaded from the manufacturer's website. Please download it to your computer and run the setup to install the drivers. Next, you can update the drivers associated with the USB root hub. Expand the list of universal serial bus controllers in the device manager. Scroll down to the USB root hub option. Click on update driver and update its driver. If this doesn't help, right click on the USB root hub again. Go to properties, go to the power management tab and uncheck this option for allow the computer to turn this device off to save power and click on OK. This is so that the USB root hub doesn't get turned off for any reason on your computer. Lastly, you can run the associated troubleshooters. I'll show you how this is done. Click on Start, select Settings, scroll down to Update and Security, go to the Troubleshoot tab, select Additional Troubleshooters and select the troubleshooter associated with the device. For example, if it is for the printer, select the printer troubleshooter. Isn't this easy? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.